How is a satellite put into orbit? Imagine firing a projectile with a large cannon. The projectile will follow a parabola trajectory like any object launched on Earth. The impact point depends on how fast the projectile was at start. Now let's increase the launch speed of the projectile. The bullet will now travel a greater distance. Let's increase the speed of the projectile even further. But now we will use a missile because we need at least 10,000 miles per hour. Once the engines are turned off, there is no difference between the missile and a bullet. This time the missile fell on the other side of the Earth. If at this point we further increase the launch speed to about 17,000 miles per hour, the missile passes the far side of the Earth and makes complete circles. This is only possible if the missile exits the atmosphere. Otherwise, the friction with the air would overheat it and slow it down. At higher speeds, the orbit widens ever more, until the projectile, or the rocket in our case, finally moves away from the Earth. To escape from Earth gravity, a projectile needs to reach a speed of about 25,000 miles per hour. If you liked this video, please subscribe.